Vocabularies. Number one, math, gณវិទ្យា Number two, science, វិទ្យាសាស្ត្រ Number three, physics, រូបវិទ្យា Number four, biology, ជីវវិទ្យា Number five, geography, ភូមិវិទ្យា Number six, history, ប្រវត្តិវិទ្យា Number seven, literature, អក្សរសាស្ត្រ Number eight, English, ភាសាអង់គ្លេស Number nine, art, សិល្បៈ Conversations about a favorite subjects. Conversations about a favorite subjects. សន្ទនាអំពីមុខវិជ្ជាដែលចូលចិត្ត What subjects did you learn in school? What subjects did you learn in school? តើអ្នកបានរៀនមុខវិជ្ជាអ្វីខ្លះនៅសាលា I learned math, science, physics, biology, geography, history, literature, English, art and music. I learned math, science, physics, biology, geography, history, literature, English, art and music. ខ្ញុំបានរៀនគណិតវិទ្យាវិទ្យាសាស្ត្ររូបវិទ្យាជីវវិទ្យាភូមិវិទ្យាប្រវត្តិសាស្ត្រអក្សរសាស្ត្រភាសាអង់គ្លេសសិល្បៈនិងតន្ត្រី What subject did you like the most when you were at school? Were you good at it? What subject did you like the most when you were at school? Were you good at it? តើអ្នកចូលចិត្តមុខវិជ្ជាមួយណាជាងគេពេលនៅសាលាតើជំនាញឬពូកែវាទេ I liked biology the most although I was excellent at literature. I liked biology the most although I was excellent at literature. ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តជីវវិទ្យាបំផុតបើទោះជាខ្ញុំពូកែខាងអក្សរសាស្ត្រក៏ដោយ Did your friends like that subject too? Did your friends like that subject too? តើមិត្តរបស់អ្នកចូលចិត្តមុខវិជ្ជានោះទេ Yes, they did. They enjoy every single biology lesson. Yes, they did. They enjoy every single biology lesson. បាទពួកគេចូលចិត្តពួកគេរីករាយនឹងមេរៀនជីវវិទ្យានីមួយៗ Was the textbook written in English or any other language? Was the textbook written in English or any other language? តើសៀវភៅសិក្សាត្រូវបានសរសេរជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសឬភាសាផ្សេងទៀតទេ It was written in English. It was written in English. វាត្រូវបានសរសេរជាភាសាអង់គ្លេស Who taught that subject? Who taught that subject? តើអ្នកណាបង្រៀនមុខវិជ្ជានោះ My teacher was Miss Garrett from the USA. My teacher was Miss Garrett from the USA. គ្រូរបស់ខ្ញុំគឺលោកស្រី Garrett មកពីសហរដ្ឋអាមេរិក How was that subject helpful to you? How was that subject helpful to you? តើមុខវិជ្ជានោះមានប្រយោជន៍យ៉ាងណាចំពោះអ្នក It helped me a lot in becoming a biology teacher. It helped me a lot in becoming a biology teacher. វាបានជួយខ្ញុំយ៉ាងច្រើនក្នុងការក្លាយជាគ្រូបង្រៀនជីវវិទ្យា How often did you learn that subject? How often did you learn that subject? តើអ្នករៀនមុខវិជ្ជានោះញឹកញាប់ប៉ុណ្ណា I often had biology lessons 5 times a week. I often had biology lessons 5 times a week. ជាញឹកញាប់ខ្ញុំរៀនជីវវិទ្យា5 ដងក្នុងមួយសប្តាហ៍ How long did you spend on that subject at home? How long did you spend on that subject at home? តើអ្នកចំណាយពេលប៉ុន្មានលើមុខវិជ្ជានោះនៅផ្ទះ I spent roughly 2 hours per day studying biology at home. I spent roughly 2 hours per day studying biology at home. ខ្ញុំបានចំណាយពេលប្រហែល2 ម៉ោងក្នុងមួយថ្ងៃដើម្បីសិក្សាជីវវិទ្យានៅផ្ទះ Have you ever attended any extra classes for that subject? Have you ever attended any extra classes for that subject? តើអ្នកធ្លាប់ចូលរៀនថ្នាក់បន្ថែមសម្រាប់មុខវិជ្ជានោះដែរឬទេ Yes, I have. I usually attended evening classes. Yes, I have. I usually attended evening classes. បាទឬចាស់ខ្ញុំធ្លាប់ជាធម្មតាខ្ញុំចូលរៀនពេលយប់ Is it important to study hard on both social sciences and natural sciences? Is it important to study hard on both social sciences and natural sciences? តើវាសំខាន់ក្នុងការព្យាយាមសិក្សាទាំងវិទ្យាសាស្ត្រសង្គមនិងវិទ្យាសាស្ត្រធម្មជាតិ No, it isn't. Students should study the ones they like and those that are helpful to their career path. No, it isn't. Students should study the ones they like and those that are helpful to their career path. ទេវាមិនមែនទេសិស្សគួរសិក្សាពីអ្វីដែលពួកគេចូលចិត្តនិងអ្វីដែលមានប្រយោជន៍ដល់ផ្លូវអាជីពរបស់ពួកគេ Vocabularies Number 1 Math គណិតវិទ្យា Number 2 Science វិទ្យាសាស្ត្រ Number 3 Physics រូបវិទ្យា Number 4 Biology ជីវវិទ្យា Number 5 Geography ភូមិវិទ្យា Number 6 History ប្រវត្តិវិទ្យា Number 7 Literature អក្សរសាស្ត្រ Number 8 English ភាសាអង់គ្លេស Number 9 Art សិល្បៈ Thank you